Are you looking for a simple and affordable way to boost your nutrition? Look no further than microgreens. These tiny plants pack a powerful punch of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. In this video, we'll explore the top benefits of growing and eating microgreens. Did you know that microgreens contain significantly higher levels of nutrients than their fully grown counterparts? Studies have shown that microgreens can contain up to 40 times more nutrients than mature plants. Plus, they are easier to digest and can be grown indoors year-round. One of the top benefits of microgreens is their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants help protect the body against damage from harmful molecules called free radicals, which can increase the risk of chronic diseases. Adding microgreens to your diet can help boost your antioxidant intake and promote overall health. Growing microgreens at home is incredibly easy and affordable. You can grow them in small containers indoors with very little space or sunlight. Plus, they grow quickly and can be harvested in as little as 1 to 2 weeks. It's a great way to have fresh, nutrient-dense produce at your fingertips. Microgreens come in a wide variety of flavors, from mild to spicy, making them a versatile ingredient in a variety of dishes. Add them to salads, sandwiches, smoothies, or even use them as a garnish. Not only do they add flavor and texture, but they boost the nutrition of your meals. So there you have it, the top benefits of growing and eating microgreens. They are an easy and affordable way to boost your nutrition and protect your health. Why not give them a try and see for yourself